In this video, I'll be sharing with you a piece of code from Sunny Singla, who's very kindly given me consent, and it enables you to have a tooltip when you hover over a column heading. So often in Knack, your columns can be quite wide because the column heading dictates the width of the column. So this is a really handy snippet. Don't need to be a coder. It's simply a copy and paste. So jump in, have a look, and hopefully this will be of use. As a rather extreme example, I'm showing a column here for approved. This is something I do see fairly regularly, where we want to have a title on a column, but a title to be fairly descriptive, but the actual data that's in the column is very small. So in this case, the column only contains a yes, no, but the column heading is very wide, which makes the column by default the widest point. The heading will dictate how wide the column is rather than the data. So it would be great to be able to have a hover over, which is a piece of code that my friend and colleague Sunny Singla very kindly allowed me to share with you. So if you go into the builder and go into settings, API and code, and paste this into the CSS section, you can change the background color of the hover over here using either the color picker or a hex code. And then in the JavaScript, simply paste this in, and there's nothing you need to change here at all. And how you make the tooltip is really clever. So I'm going to the table that's got the field with my very long label. And all you need to do is put the tooltip inside square brackets. So if I just put this inside the square brackets and save that field name, come back to my live app and do a refresh, and you'll now see that the column has shrunk down to just the title of approved. But when I hover over it, I get a really useful pop-up giving me additional information for what this category or field is for. Hopefully you found that of interest. I've put a link to the code in the description. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And I look forward to catching you on the next one.